What's up, YouTube? It's Tito. I'm back with another vid. Wanted to let y'all see the update. My fault about not making the video with me putting the upper oil pan back on, but I got the old one off the original motor, off the HR motor, excuse me. So I'll go ahead and show you guys how to do that. It's kind of simple. You can see I got the AC compressor on. That's just for marking purposes. I marked where I'm gonna be cutting and grinding so that can fit. And then after the back, I already started the process, so my fault, but pretty much this is what I took off so far. You guys can see where it went, like here or something like that. So I was able to cut that down. I went straight and then under, and then took my little pry bar once I got enough down and just pried it down. So this is pretty much what I'm gonna be doing for today. Once I get that done, go ahead and put the alternator on and all that stuff, and look into clutch and exhaust options, because I had to cut my exhaust off. And yeah, ride with me. What's up? I'm back. Just finished cutting and grinding, man. It took about a long time to get it smooth and right. A lot of test fitting. That's pretty much the only way to get it down, is you have to test fit. So what I ended up doing was I cut and grinded down the center portion, as you can see. Then I had to take a little bit off this side here so the pump could fit or sit perfectly. It's good to go. So I'm just gonna start bolting things back on, and we gonna go from there. Just wanted to give y'all that update. Alright, update. So I'm about to cut this part down. Don't forget to change your harmonic balance. Alright, also water pump cover. I'm gonna change that last. I figured keep this part covered. Don't have to deal with that till I'm done. So alright, I'm going to get back to it. Yeah. What's up, YouTube? Back with an update. So I was able to get the power steering pump on. That's good to go. Locked, secured. This is what it looks like back here. So pretty much your goal is to try to shave all the way down so you can get clearance for the power steering pump. So this is the bracket here that was in the middle, so we had to shave all that down. You've seen the last video. So power steering pump is on, good to go, secured. Went ahead and alright, so went ahead and got the bracket, the tensioner bracket on. So this was kind of jamming me up for some crazy reason. I couldn't figure out that I had to take the actual tensioner off of its bracket. I had to take the tensioner off of its bracket and put it on to the one I got from Nissan Performance. You have to shave the back here. You have to shave it all the way down to give you clearance, so when you're tensioning, you can actually move the actual tensioner. So that's your goal when you're shaving it down. So just keep that in mind. Alternator bracket, not too sure, but this looks like I did it right. I mean, it's not going nowhere, so fingers crossed. So yeah, we in there, baby. So be back with another update. All right, this is it. Only thing I gotta take off is this piece right here and over here. But I'm using this to actually hold the motor up, so I'm gonna get it in the Armada and then take it off then. But yeah, I got everything I need off of it, so I'm pretty sure if I need anything else, I'm screwed. So yeah, boy.